Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amarta Rupani and today we are moving to a new place, and guys, that is fully furnished apartment in Montreal downtown, and I am going to give you the tour of that shortly as soon as we reach there. So anyways guys, we were supposed to move to Toronto today, but we could not because of Sanjay's work extension, and Sanjay's company has arranged this apartment for us, so we don't have to worry about its rent or anything. Everything has been packed and we have stored it in storage of Montreal, and when we will go Toronto we will take all the stuff. And we disposed some of our furniture even though it was in great condition because no one bought it. So let's go to the new apartment and let me give you the tour. This is the apartment building. Okay guys, so we are here and we are gonna go into the building to take keys, and then we will park the car because parking is included as well. And we had to pick up our key cards which were in the locker in the lobby of the building. Okay guys, so we have got our card key. Now we're gonna go upstairs and let me just give you the quick tour. Okay guys, so we are in the apartment and let me just give you the tour of this beautiful place. And over here there is closet. So we have laundry here. It has dryer and washer, and beside this laundry there is bathroom, and this is how it looks. After that there is another closet and it's another storage. And what do they have in here? Let's see. So they have hangers for your coats and jackets, and they have mop, sweep, and iron table and iron. So it is quite a big size of storage. And one more closet. So a lot of storage. And then there is kitchen. They have coffee machine, microwave, and stove, of course. They have toaster, dishwasher, refrigerator, they have cookware, and this is kettle. Let's see what else do they have. This is empty. Yeah, it doesn't have anything in here. Yeah. So a lot of storage. Let's see what's in here. So they have some plates, small plates, and some bowls. They have cups. And these are glasses. Some other glasses and more glasses. And this is salt and pepper, knives and scissors. So yeah. I loved this mirror. To the living room. So there is one nice chair and one TV, and this is kind of a very nice piece. I really liked it. Look at this view. We are at 14th floor, so it's going to look amazing in the night time. And this is the bed, which is comfy and nice. And after this, they have another closet. They have bathrobe and extra pillow, blanket, and couple of cushions. So yeah, there is balcony and patio as well. It is too high, guys. This is so scary. And guys, the parking is also included with this apartment, and gym and swimming pool are closed due to COVID-19, of course. Okay, so that was it for today, and I hope you liked this apartment. We actually loved it, and we are super excited to live in here for a month. And guys, stay tuned for my upcoming videos, because we are moving to Toronto next month, and I will be making many exciting videos for you guys. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care, and I'll see you again.